severe cyclonic storm Nivar is likely to cross the Tamil Nadu coast between Karaikal and Mamallapuram of the southern state on Wednesday. Nivar, the first cyclonic storm to impact the Indian coast this season, will have a wind speed of 100 to 110 kmph, gusting to 120 kmph, and bring extremely heavy rain to Tamil Nadu and Puducherry on Wednesday and Thursday. The Weather Bureau has said that the depression over southwest and adjoining the southeast Bay of Bengal has moved west-northwestwards and lay centered about 520 km east-southeast of Puducherry and 560 km southeast of Chennai. Officials have said that Nivar is an Iranian name and comes from a list of names suggested by the 30 North Indian Ocean countries affected by cyclones in the region. Squally wind speed reaching 45-55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph would prevail along and off Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and adjoining South Andhra Pradesh coast and over the Gulf of Mannar from Tuesday morning. Sea conditions are likely to be high to very high, with waves of 6 to 14 meters, along the coasts of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry on Wednesday. The Weather Bureau has warned of major damage to thatched houses or huts, with the possibility of rooftops being blown off and unattached metal sheets flying. There could be damage to power and communication lines, it added. There could be major damage to paved and some damage to unpaved roads and flooding of escape routes. News Desk.